Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're with McCall Homes in Billings, Montana in the Annafeld community. We'll be taking a look at the Lamar model. Let's get started.
Hey guys, this is Jared with McCall Homes out here in Billings, Montana. This is our new community, Annafeld. We're going to show you our Lamar floor plan, so come along and take a look inside. So the main floor is going to be where your living area is. This is kind of going to be the eating area, so this is going to be your formal dining room area, coat closet off to the left, and then we're going to walk into your kitchen area. So as we all know, the kitchen is kind of the heart of the home. So we have a big spacious island, eat-at island for kids and family, just for little lunches. And then obviously the more formal area over here to the right. Cool aspects of this kitchen, open shelving, very current right now with the market. We're doing a gas range, which is nice with a big overhood, stainless steel fan above it. So we have a built-in under-counter microwave on this unit, a little different. So you pop this guy down, and then with just a touch of a button, the whole microwave opens up, and then also closes. So that's kind of cool for this current year. So I want to showcase the HomeCrest cabinet line to you guys. This is going to be one of our most popular cabinet lines that we have here at McCall Homes. This is going to have the dovetail style framing on it. So the construction on these are definitely above and beyond, something you definitely want for the longevity of the home. And then obviously everyone likes the soft close. This is going to be kind of our drop zone, the mud area of the home. Being that we did a detached garage on this, this is going to be a central part for the Lamar floor plan homeowners. What we do actually is just make the nook, and then the homeowner is able to come through and actually build that out with the furniture they want rather than doing it built-in. And so with this one, we just have a little seating area so you can take your boots off and shoes off, and then a little coat rack for all your essentials. And then we'll enter out to the back of the home. So on this Lamar floor plan, we created a screened-in porch, which is going to be great to be able to extend the living area out of the home. And so we did the nice screened-in porch, keep the bugs out on this one. We did do a fan and light on here, as well as a heating for the cooler months here in Montana. And then a nice dining room table. So this becomes, you know, an accessory to the home, giving you more square footage that's actually usable outside of the home. Between the detached garage and the actual home, we're doing these cool little nook areas where families are able to put something like a fire pit, maybe a hot tub pad, some nice lights outside, so this becomes more of a usable space during those nice summer months. When you're coming and entering from the back of the home, we do have this half bath right here, very convenient if you're entertaining guests or just a quick stop. We do have the luxury vinyl tile from Mannington on this. Comes in an array of different colors, but this one is a super fashionable, very current piece right now. So here we have our living room. We're going to carry the LVP throughout this living room area. Big, spacious, 5.5-foot Anderson windows, which brings in a ton of natural light on this. We did do this super cool black shiplap fireplace on this one, which here in Montana is a central piece of the home. So take a look. Here in the Lamar floor plan on the second floor, we're going to have the master bedroom with the ensuite. We do a very large master closet on this, which of course everyone's going to love. A little nook area, if that's not a dresser, maybe a little sitting area like we have dictated here. And then you're going to be able to have an ensuite just right here connected to the master bed. We're going to do the dual sinks of all our Kohler products here. Plumbing products here at McCall Homes are Kohler. We're a total Kohler built home. So we're going to do the standalone Kohler tub, the black handles, which is super popular right now. Again, bringing the Mannington LVT throughout this master bath, and then we're doing also a standalone shower in this unit. So here at McCall Homes, we're always trying to utilize every piece of the home, and so here, this little nook area, we're setting this up as kind of a desk area for the kids, maybe the situation at home with COVID has changed and they're doing more work at home type situations. On the Lamar floor plan here, guys, on the second floor, we're going to have our first full bath. We're going to separate this into the wash area with the toilet and shower, so you can kind of segregate those two. Again, the LVT flooring is going to come through on this one, and super stylish black cabinets on this as well. On the second floor here, we're also going to have the linen closet area, obviously an essential piece of the home, which is also right next to the laundry room. So this is going to have a full laundry room on it, the closet, linen closet right next door, which makes it super accessible. So our standard Lamar floor plan is going to be a 3-bedroom. So this is going to be the first guest bedroom. Here we made it for a little baby area. Big accordion style bi-doors, bifold doors for the closet on this one. Again, big wide open windows for lots of natural light on that. So this is going to be the 3rd bedroom. This is going to be for probably an older child. Again, corner windows on this, which we maximized with windows on each corner of the home. And then bifold closet on this, just like the last guest bedroom that we saw. Again, just a bedroom, but pretty spacious bedroom. So thanks for touring our Lamar floor plan, guys, here from McCall Homes in Billings, Montana. We do have a floor plan for really everyone, so whatever walk of life you are currently in, we do have, you know, an array of floor plans, if not different real estate styles, would that be a patio home, a single family home, or one of our townhomes. If you're looking for a place here in Billings, Montana, we do offer spec homes in the custom process. So please check us out, McCallHomes.com here in Billings, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you.
For more information on this community, click the links in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.